Hello and welcome to How To Automotive. Today we're going to do a little bit of thinking outside the box and see if we can do a repair that there's not a lot of information on. So we got a 2018 Subaru Crosstrek here that has a bent frame. And I'm going to show you how I approach a job like this with no information. This Subaru was involved in a rear end collision and the rear subframe is bent back here. And the body shop next to us asked us to put this frame in for them. So this 2018 Subaru Crosstrek has very little information as far as how to replace this. So what I did was took a few minutes to look around to decide what I was going to do. And what I came up with was I'm going to remove the two bolts here and the cross member bolt here and lower the differential straight down using a transmission jack. And then we're going to unbolt the control arm here. And then there's the a trailing arm here. We're going to unbolt here, and then we're going to unbolt just above it the upper control arm. And we're going to leave the strut and everything still bolted up, and we're going to push the suspension off to the side. And we're going to do the same thing over here. So we're going to unbolt the two lower control arms here, and then we're going to unbolt the upper control arm. I'm going to leave the tires, the wheels, brakes, everything attached to it, and just push it off to the side. And hopefully I'll be able to drop the subframe bolts down and pull the subframe over the top and out the back. The body shop has already removed the exhaust or the rear mufflers. That made things a lot easier. So I went ahead and unbolted the differential, like I said, lowered it down. I left the drive shaft, axles, everything still attached to it, just lowered it down. So I took the lower control arm out here, took the upper control arm that was mounted here out. This lower trailing arm here, removed it. Now it just swung over. It's on the drive shaft so it can sway back and forth left or right. So this is all clear now. So when I unbolt it here and here, this frame is going to slide out right over here. So I'm doing the same thing over here. I got this side starting to come unbolted. Got the lower and down. Now all I need to do is get the trailing arm here and the upper control arm bolt here and here. Push it out and unbolt the four bolts, and the frame's going to come out. So with three of us, two of us holding the frame, and one of us working the suspension kind of in and out of our way, we was able to kind of twist the frame out and work it out and pull it straight out and set it on the ground. So now we're going to unpack the frame from the box and see if anything needs to be transferred over. And we're going to stuff it back in. So it kind of came out like this side, kind of twisted out. So it twisted out this way and then dropped down and then pulled out. So when we go back in, we're going to put one in like this, up over the frame, and then we twist the other one up and over. I managed to put the new frame in and bolted up and torqued it down to specs. Now I've just lifted up the differential. I'm using my transmission jack here to lift the suspension back up and put the upper and lower control arms back into position, start all the bolts. So at this point, I'm leaving everything loose. I'm just starting all the bolts and fasteners. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the suspension upwards to about where the stock ride height is. And then once I got it to about where the stock ride height is, I will go around and torque all the lower control arms and the upper control arms and torque everything down to spec. That way it's like centered, and when you lower the suspension, it doesn't tear the bushing, or when you lift the suspension up, it doesn't tear the bushings. So I got it at the right height, and I'm going to torque all these down to factory specs. Now this vehicle's ready for an alignment and having the muffler put back on. And that's how you would just think out of the box, take your time and look around, and then come up with a plan and put it into action. I'm Brian Esser from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.